Day 258 meditation on trauma and suffering. Some people have lived through dramatic events. They have witnessed their parents or others being massacred. They have been raped or tortured. Some years later, they are still haunted by those images and often find they cannot talk about them. Helping them is not straightforward. The seriousness of the trauma and the time it takes to heal depend in large measure on the social and cultural context. Religion can also play an important role. I think of Tibetans who, on account of their practice of Buddhism, are less vulnerable to tragic experiences. Anything can be trauma. Oh, go into it and release.